It's called the ClearFox Septic Tank Converter. In the past, septic tanks and soakaways could discharge directly into a ditch or watercourse. From 2020, this will be illegal. To help fix this problem, the UK government and UK building regs have approved an amazing, simple solution to fix this problem. It's called the ClearFox Septic Tank Converter. It only takes a couple of hours to install, and this amazing non-electric system allows septic tanks to legally discharge into watercourses and ditches. Septic tanks fill up with sewage waste. This sewage then enters the ClearFox and fills up a trough. The trough tilts over, spilling the sewage through an organic sieve, which then enters an organic hive full of bacteria and enzymes. The ClearFox system itself is powered by venturi suction. Oxygen-rich air feeds and fuels all the organic bacteria and enzymes, which then convert the sewage into safe, clean water. This amazing government certified system can then legally discharge this clean water into a watercourse such as a river, brook, stream, ditch or culvert. The ClearFox septic tank conversion system is really easy to install. Simply dig a hole and put the small ClearFox conversion unit into it. Then put the ClearFox silt chamber in between the ClearFox and the septic tank and connect them together with a standard 4-inch pipe. Then simply backfill with gravel and cover with topsoil. Job done. The ClearFox non-electric septic tank converter is ideal for domestic properties, for barn conversions, for holiday lets, for glamping, camping and caravan sites and much more. So let's just recap. Because the ClearFox doesn't run on electricity, there's no running costs. Because the ClearFox has an organic ecosystem inside it, there's no smells and it makes no noise. Because it's approved by the UK government and UK building regs, it's 2020 compliant. Because it's very easy to install, many people just get their local builder to do it, which just takes a couple of hours to install. And because it cannot break down, it comes with a lifetime guarantee.